For the past few years, Wildwood has been seeing its boardwalk completely renovated. From ripping up the entire boards on top, fixing all the structure of the concrete pillars, and then rebuilding it. And while that is taking place, a lot of people have been wondering, when is North Wildwood going to get some kind of boardwalk reconstruction? Well, we have some great news. Phase 1 of the North Wildwood Boardwalk Reconstruction Project is officially underway. They're currently in the planning phases, but let's go over what we know. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. It's because of them we can make videos like this. If you want to support this channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, let's get started. This video is sponsored by ISP Tech. Backup internet for your home, vacation home, or business. Don't let power or internet outages get in your way. For more information, visit isptech.co or visit the link in the description below. Phase 1 of the North Wildwood Boardwalk Reconstruction Project is going to take place right here, between 16th Street and 18th Street. This is going to be known as Phase 1. Phase 1 of the project is costing roughly about $3.5 million. And some of that money isn't coming from the city, though the city is matching that to over $2 million. The rest of it's coming from the state. While there aren't too many details just yet, since this is in the planning phase, we do know they're going to do some structural repairs. They're going to put new timber on top. They're going to replace the railings and put in new lighting fixtures. And on top of that, we're getting ADA ramps, we're getting new beach accesses, and new steps, because some of these steps, they're quite old. This project is not slated to start until fall 2024. So that means for this summer, this is what the boardwalk's going to look like. But come next spring, it's going to look brand new. While this project is not going to start into the fall, I figured let's go ahead and document it via the Seagull. So let's go ahead and get the Seagull in the sky. Remember that this is only phase 1 of a multi-phase project. This is going to happen over the course of the next few years and total roughly about $34 million. So once this section is done, more than likely, they'll do the next blocks and the next blocks. And if we're lucky, within the next few years, every square inch of this boardwalk, North Wildwood and Wildwood, will be brand new for the next 100 years. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section below. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Joe, as always. I'll see you on the beach. See you later. Bye.